Welcome back to English class. Today we are going to learn grammar adjectives. What are adjectives? Adjectives are describing words. They describe nouns or pronouns. Nouns और pronouns के बारे में कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन देते हैं, वो adjective कहलाता है. Adjectives are telling more about nouns and pronouns. You already know what are nouns and pronouns. What are nouns? Nouns are naming words, name of a place, person or thing. Pronouns are the word we use instead of noun. Let us see some example. What is this? This is a ball. I have a big ball. This ball is big. मेरे पास एक बड़ा बॉल है. बड़ा जो है वे बॉल की क्वालिटी है. So this ball is very big. Big is adjective telling about this ball. Now what is this? This is a rose flower. How can we describe this flower? This is a red rose. The red is adjective. Then again we can describe rose is a beautiful flower. Beautiful is describing word. Beautiful is adjective. Now what is this? This is also a ball, but this ball is very small. This is a small ball. The adjective of this noun is small. Now let us see some examples. Look at the board. Number 1. The wide road leads to the airport. In this, which is the noun? Road. Road is noun. It is telling about road. Wide. Wide means chauda. The adjective is wide. You have to underline wide. Then number 2, the Mysore Palace is a grand building. It is telling about the building. How is the building? It is a grand building. The adjective is grand. Number 3, can you climb a steep hill? Hill is noun. The adjective is steep. Is telling about the hill. The hill is very steep. Adjective is steep. I have a yellow balloon. I have a balloon that is which color? Yellow. The adjective is yellow. Adjective is yellow. John is a tall boy. John is a what kind of boy? Tall. Adjective is tall. Now take your book, page number 61. Now let us see some exercise. Page number 61. A. Underline the describing words in each sentence. In each sentence, one word is describing word. So you have to underline the describing word. 1. There is a deep well near our village. Deep is describing word. It is describing about the well. The well is very deep. Underline deep. 2. The wide road leads to the airport. Wide road is, it is describing about the road. Wide means chauda. The wide road leads to the airport. The describing word is wide. 3. A leopard has black spots. The leopard has black spots. So the describing word is black. 4. Mysore Palace is a grand building. The building is very grand. So describing word is grand. Can you climb a steep hill? Steep means bahut uncha, means it is very sloping. It is describing about the hill. The hill is so steep, means very high. The adjective is steep. There is an old post office in the town. The town, there is a old post office. Old means purana. It is describing word. 7. I have a yellow balloon. The balloon is noun and describing word is yellow. There are 40 children in class 2. How many children are there in class 2? 40. So the describing word or the adjective is 40. Next page, page number 62. B. Complete the paragraph with the describing words from the box. The given paragraph you have to complete with the describing words from the box. What are the describing words given? Huge, white, big, heavy, long, juicy, short, grey. Means in this paragraph is telling about an elephant. It is describing about an elephant. So you have to complete the paragraph. An elephant is a huge animal. Huge means very big. The describing word is huge. It has dash ears and dash tusk. It has a big ears. Elephant's ears are big. So you have to write big. And white tusk. It has a white tusk. It has a grey skin and a dash tail. The color of the skin is grey. So you have to write grey skin and a short tail. The elephant's tail is short. So it is describing about the tail. So it is short. It can carry dash logs with its long trunk. It can carry heavy logs. Logs means the big pieces of wood. Heavy. Heavy means it is very heavy. It likes to eat juicy sugarcane. It likes to eat what kind of sugarcane? Juicy sugarcane. So you have to write juicy. C. Write a describing word for each noun. Use words from the box. In this, nouns are given. You have to write the describing word for each noun. The describing words, the adjectives are given in the box. Cloudy, big, green, brave, tiny, soft, new, funny. These are the describing words. 1. Big house. The noun is given. You can choose the describing word from the box. Big. 2. Parakeet. What is the color of the parakeet? Green. The describing word is green parakeet. 3. Dash voice. Soft voice. 4. Dash soldier. Brave soldier. 5. Dash sky. Cloudy sky. Dash shoes. New shoes. Dash clown. Funny clown. Mouse. Mouse is a small animal, so tiny mouse. D. Pick the correct word from the brackets. The brackets, there are options are given. You have to tick the correct option. The sun is shining brightly. It is going to be a cold, warm, blue day. The sun is shining brightly means it is going to be a warm day. Have to tick warm. Number 2. Jack built a house. It has some red, brave roof. Look at the picture. The color of the roof is red. So tick red. 3. It is my birthday. I am very round, happy, long day. In birthdays, we all are happy, isn't it? So you have to tick happy. 4. I have a doll. She has long and dash hair, curly hair, happy, slim. Which is the correct option? Which is the describing word? Curly hair. You have to tick curly. 5. Persis has a new busy called toy car. It can run fast. He has a new car. So tick new. Granny went to the market. She bought some empty, juicy, kind apples. In this, which is the correct option? Juicy apples. So tick juicy. 7. Our class has a new teacher. She is very green, 5, smart. Yes, the adjective word is smart. Tick smart. E. Circle the correct words within the brackets to complete the paragraph. Circle the correct words within the brackets to complete the paragraph. The bracket, 2 options are given. You have to correct the correct word. The children were playing on the beach. The beach is full of sand. So sandy beach. They were all very happy. You have to circle happy. Myra and her brother were round, busy, long, making a sand castle. Busy. They are busy with making a sand castle. The sea looked blue, sad, short. What is the color of the sea? Blue. How to circle blue. A colorful, deep, sandy boat was sailing far away. The sea, colorful boat was sailing far away. You have to circle colorful. The children found many funny, kind, pretty shells on the beach. Pretty. Circle pretty. These all the exercises. Please do it in your book. Thank you.